Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to present about simple present tense, a basic but very important tense in English that we use in our daily conversation. Simple present tense is a verb used to describe habits and routines. For example, she wakes up at 6 a.m. General truths or facts such as the sun rises in the east. Schedule events like the train leaves at 7 p.m. and the stats or feelings like he knows the answer or I like chocolate. Simple person can add s or es for he, she, and it. For negative sentences, use don't for the words instead of I, you, we, and they, and doesn't for the words instead of he, she, and it. In the simple present tense, we use different verbs depending on the subject. For I, we use am and the verb without s or es, and we use do to help make question or negatives. For you, we, they, and plural subjects, we use are and also the best verb with do as the helper. For he, she, and it, and singular subjects, we use is. The verb usually ends in s or es, and we use does as the helper. But if we use does, the main verb goes back to the past form, no s or es. The simple present tense is divided into two patterns. The first is the nominal sentence and the verbal sentence. Nominal sentences are the sentences that use the verb to be is mr as the main verb. That verb to be functions as a link between the subject and the complement, which can be an adjective, noun, or adverb. Nominal sentences don't have action verbs, but only indicate the state or identity of the subject. The formula for nominal sentences is subject plus to be is mr plus complement. The first example is I am a teacher for positive sentence, and the second is you are not my sister for negative sentence, and the last is are they in the library for interrogative sentence. Next is verbal sentence. Verbal sentence in a simple present tense use the main verb, verb 1 to show the action or activities performed by the subject. Unlike nominal sentences that use the verb to be, verbal sentences focus on action verbs that describe daily activities or habits. The formula for verbal sentences is subject plus verb 1 plus complement. For the subject, he, she, and it, add s or es to the verb in positive sentences, like the example, he plays football every weekend. If the verb ends in a consonant followed by y, change to y to I before adding s, like he studies English every day, from the word study. The word plays gets the suffix s instead of es because the letter before y is a vowel. If the letter before y is a vowel such as a, I, u, e, o, then the plural or third person singular form simply adds s. For the examples, play, to plays, stay, to stays. Like she stays with her grandmother during holidays. Then do is used for the subject I, you, we, they, and does for the subject he, she, it in the negative and interrogative sentences, like I do not read books every day. That's all for me. I hope now you understand the basics of simple present tense, including the structure, the difference between nominal and verbal sentences, and when to use do or does. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.